In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, go into Messages app and select one of your chats. When you are finished, tap on this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on your photos right away in order to add them. If you want to, you can also tap on Gallery section. Tap on your photos over here and tap on Add at the top right corner. You can always tap on Gallery again, select Folders, locate your photo over here, and when you find it, hold it. Then tap on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, wherever you do, all of those ways will work to add your photos. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!